Major, because there's no room for them in the inn.
To birth the baby Jesus as if he had colic.
Well, he could have had colic, just like any other baby.
I don't care. It looks awful. They look awful.
So what? They just came a long way and have no place to go. And now they have a new baby to worry about.
Who, Ralph and Imogen?
No, Mary and Joseph.
And in that region, there were shepherds in the field, keeping watch over their flocks by night.